Hi everyone, this is Kristen, and if you're anything like me, you're probably really excited about the launch of the new 2019 iPhones next week. iPhone 11 is what they're supposed to be calling it, and I don't have an iPhone 11 to share with you today, but I do have an iPhone 11 case. So the folks at Pitaka were kind enough to send me out this pre-release sample of their MagCase for iPhone 11. So we're going to do a quick unboxing here, and then I'm going to show you how it looks on my existing iPhone XR. Not quite as good as actually seeing the iPhone 11, but it still should be kind of cool. So let's get this unboxed and put on my phone. For those of you that may not be familiar with Pitaka, they're best known for their use of aramid fiber in phone cases. Aramid fiber is basically generic Kevlar, and it allows you to make cases which are absolutely crazy thin and lightweight while still being extremely protective. These cases also have embedded metal plates so that they can be used with magnetic mounting, and they are wireless charging friendly as well. Looking at the box, you got to be really impressed with the care that Pitaka took in the packaging of this case. A really nice quality box, very heavy duty. We got a magnetic closure on it. Opening up our box, looking inside, we do indeed have a case which looks like it should fit the iPhone 11 based on all of the phone renders that I have seen. Really nice looking case, and when you lift it out, wow, it is incredibly thin and lightweight. Taking a look at this case, it's hard to find the words to convey exactly how thin and lightweight this is. It really has no weight at all in my hands, and it's so incredibly thin. This aramid fiber that the case is made from, this generic Kevlar material that they use at Pitaka, allows this to be super, super thin and still give you protection for your iPhone. Now, this is not going to give you military drop test standard protection. Pitaka does have a different version of their cases, at least for the iPhone XR that I reviewed, their MagCase Pro. That one uses other materials such as TPU and I think some polycarbonate in there to give it serious drop protection. This is not what you're going to get with this thin and lightweight case. However, you do get an astonishing amount of protection given the thinness of this case, and this is obviously going to look really great on the iPhone 11. How it's going to look on iPhone XR, I don't know. Let's check it out. Obviously, this is not the same as putting it on the iPhone 11, but this is the best I can do right now. So this is actually quite easy to put on. Just clips right on the phone. And once on, you can see that the look on the front is basically the same as you'd expect if this were on an iPhone 11. The iPhone XR and the iPhone 11 should be identical from the front. We got a really tight fit on here. Very nice, very secure. Man, this is not going anywhere. It's like a second skin for your phone. Really a perfect fit on here. Completely open port openings here, obviously, and big cutout here for your mute switch and your volume up and down buttons. Got protection here for your corners, open top. Super, super thin. And then over here, again, more protection up here for this corner, and this side is all covered. Again, those sides are not going anywhere. This is a really, really tight fit. Looking at the back of the case makes me very excited for next week with the iPhone 11 launch. I can almost pretend I've got an iPhone 11 here, except, well, I don't. It's an iPhone XR, but other than that, I think everything looks great on here. This material has a lovely feel underneath the fingertips, beautiful soft touch finish, should be fingerprint and scratch resistant, although oily fingerprints are still going to show up, so you got to be careful about smears and stuff like that. But other than that, feels great, looks great. You can feel the texture here, the little bit of a woven texture of the aramid when you run your fingers over it. This is going to give you a very secure grip on the phone, and as you can see, adds almost no thickness to the phone, which is excellent. You do have support for wireless charging here, and this is going to work with Pitaka's magnetic mounting systems. Looking here at the protection here for the camera, this does give you sufficient protection for the protruding camera because we have a little rim that runs around here. And overall, it's just a really nice looking case for iPhone 11. And even for iPhone XR, it's really pretty cool. Extremely secure fit on the foam, adds almost no thickness, and you do have, I think, a good amount of protection, although they don't say exactly how much protection this is going to give you. But hey, it cannot be a bad idea to swathe your phone in a bulletproof material. That's definitely going to be nicely protective for iPhone 11. As I mentioned before, this is a lovely tight-fitting case, but often tight-fitting cases like this can be difficult to remove from your phone. So according to the manufacturer, what you need to do in order to get this off is to first start at your bottom corner here, and then you want to take that off and then pop off the top corner here over your volume up and down buttons. So let's try this and see how it works. Here's corner number 1. Hold your phone firmly, make sure it doesn't go flying somewhere. Alright, got my first corner off. Not gonna lie, this is pretty tight. But it will come off. Overall, I have to say I'm just really impressed with the MagCase. It's a little bit difficult to get off, but not too bad. And if you are a fan of super thin and lightweight cases, or even like just going caseless, this is definitely a case to consider for you because it adds basically zero weight or thickness to your phone. And this super tough aramid fiber, this bulletproof material, is going to give a great amount of protection to your phone for such a thin case. So I think that there is a lot to love here. This also has a great feel underneath the fingertips and looks fantastic on the phone. It allows wireless charging and it's compatible with Pitaka's magnetic mounting system. So overall, just a great case from the folks at Pitaka. Again, this has been an unboxing and sneak peek at Pitaka's new MagCase for iPhone 11. This product is not available yet. It should be released next week after Apple's iPhone 11 keynote address. Many thanks to Pitaka for sending me out this sample to review. As this is a pre-release item, I don't have any definite pricing info yet, but if the iPhone XR version is anything to go by, it should have an MSRP of around $49.99. It will be available via Pitaka's website as well as on Amazon.com. And I will put links below where you can find out more about it. If you have any questions about this product or anything else, please feel free to put them in the comments below and I will do my best to address them. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button because I have lots more case and other accessory reviews yet to come. Again, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer, and this is the MagCase for iPhone 11. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day.